Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to charge Samsung Galaxy S23 FE above 85%. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now here click on battery and in battery scroll down and here click on more battery settings. Now here scroll down to the end and here you will see a protect battery button. So if you have turned on this button, your phone will not charge above 80%. So turn off this button to charge your phone up to 80%. So that's how you can fix unable to charge above 80% in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.